YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. Today I'm so excited. My excitement is on another level because my birthday just passed. Get ready because we'll be giving some giveaways, some freebies, but just a point of caution, if you haven't subscribed you wouldn't see it when it's posted, so just caution. But back to what I was talking about. So on my birthday, my son Kwamina K, if you remember K, Cooking with K, he made me some homemade pancakes, and all he said was, "Mommy, can you take out the ingredients for me so I make you pancakes?" This is because some of the ingredients are high up in the cupboard which he can't reach. So I took the ingredients for him like I've done today, and he has his recipe book. That's another thing. Get your children recipe books so that as you're teaching them, they're writing them down. It really helps and it motivates them to do it without you. And then the more they do it without you, the better they become. Because if you remember, I said I launched this channel to help us raise our boys to become the men we all want, the men who cook for us, make us surprise breakfast in bed, have time with your girlfriends and he cooks for you, you know what I mean, you feeling the vibe. Let me stop all this hula baloo and hand you over to Kay.
Today we're making Kay's homemade pancakes. So now we're going to start making pancakes. So the first ingredient to a buttermilk pancake is 1 cup of buttermilk. And I've got some buttermilk here. So 1 cup of buttermilk it is. Then the next ingredient is melted butter, 2 tablespoons. So now we're going to melt the butter in the microwave. Done. So now we're going to put the nutmeg in. The next ingredient, 1 cup of flour. So now we're scooping up the flour with our cup. So now we're going to put a quarter of pink Himalayan salt in. I forgot my apron. Let me go put it on. So next on the list we've got 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. So, 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. So next on the list we have the vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. So we get our little teaspoon and the vanilla extract. Now we need 1 large egg, so let's crack it in the bowl to check if it's good or bad. It's a good one. So we're gonna pour it in now. So the next ingredient on our list is a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now it's time to make the lemon juice. So you need a lemon and then you slice it in half. Now, it was 1 teaspoon of lemon. So we get our teaspoon and then we squirt it into a bowl to check because of the seeds. If you pour it in straight away, there might be seeds in, so squeeze. So now it's time to whisk all the ingredients up. Now we finish mixing and we need to taste if it's good. And then when we put it in the pan, the pancakes will be yummy. Delicious. So now that we've mixed it, we're going to put it in a measuring cup so we can pour it into the pan and start making the delicious pancake. So now we have to preheat the pan and turn the knob to 3. Then when it's heated, we turn it to 1.5. Now we're going to check whether it's done or not by pouring some of the buttermilk in. The buttermilk and it's ready because it's sizzling. So we turn it down to 1.5. Once it has bubbles in and the side turns brown, we need to flip it over. Nice, yummy, and delicious. It's ready and it looks delicious. Look at that. So we pour in some oil. Then we put it all around so every edge is covered in oil. Then we put the pancake butter. Now, done. Yummy, yummy pancake. Let's dig in.
I couldn't wait for him to finish. Are you going to eat it without me? Let me grab mine. Are you going to have it with some sauce? So these are the ways you can have your pancakes, yeah? I like it with my berries, some cherries, some sauce. So, hey, go on, help yourself. So I like mine with banoffee. I'm going to have some strawberry as well. When you finish, can I have some of the strawberry?
Sure. And now some fluffy pie. Scrumptious.
It's vegan. And people, this is what I had for my birthday. We brought it. I had it in bed. Okay, God bless you. People, teach your children. Teach your children, and they make you proud.